Hello everybody. Have you ever wondered how much air is in your lungs? Well, I have built a very high-tech piece of equipment to help me measure my lung capacity. It is called my breathable air gasometer, otherwise known as a bag. Do you think that my lungs could fill this bag up? Let's experiment and see. I'm going to stretch it out on my table here. Let's see how I go. Here we go. What do you think? Are my lungs really this big? It is a little bit suspicious, isn't it? And in fact, I was using a principle of physics to help me cheat and fill up this bag. And I'm going to explain it in a minute and give you a chance to think about what I might have done. And while you're thinking, I'll show you how you can make a bag like this. It's really easy to make out of a garbage bag. I've got here a nice big yellow garbage bag. I'm going to cut off the handles and I'm going to cut myself a 40 centimetre wide rectangle. This is doubled over, so 20 centimetres wide here. My hand span is exactly 20 centimetres. Let's cut that out. Just be careful with your scissors, obviously. Now I've got my tube and I just need to join it together. You can do this with a few different options. You can use a glue gun, but I'm going to use one of my favourite things in the world, double-sided sticky tape. Just put the sticky tape on the edge here, fold it over, and stick it across. And you'll want to do this all the way along the edge, getting a really good seal. It might not be perfectly airtight, but it'll be good enough for our purposes. Okay, so now you've got your experimental equipment. How do you fill it up in just one breath? Watch me again, see if you can see what I'm doing. I didn't put my mouth right up against the bag. Instead, I held it back a little way. This creates a fast-moving stream of air running into the bag. And then I can use my physics, something called Bernoulli's principle. And that says when you've got fast-moving air, it is at a low pressure. It sucks other air in towards it. So all I have to do is go, and Bernoulli's principle does the rest. It fills up the bag for me much more than my lungs could do on their own. Now, if you want to try this one at home, I suggest getting your family members to have a go for real first, and then show them how amazing your lungs are by doing the trick, holding your mouth back a little bit. And of course, don't forget, you can head to our website to watch this experiment again and lots more great DIY videos. See you then.